How you doing? Frank Belovich here with Win the Day Training. You can follow me at WTDT_athletics on Instagram, please. That'd be very nice. I figured out one of the easiest ways that I could allow myself to adjust myself without using a chiropractor. Using this barbell and slight pressure and the proper technique of breathing to alleviate that stress on your joints to crack. So simply put, you put all your body pressure on the portions of your spine, thoracic, your cervical, your lumbar, and as you apply that pressure, you want to use your pressure of the contraction of your muscles, especially your upper half, to pull on the barbell to create that crack feeling, the release of the air in between your joints. So as I'm going to show you through the thoracic first. So big exhale, you'll hear the crack itself, and you want to suppress your back against the barbell. Again, formation to where you're not going to hurt yourself, and pull the bar as you exhale. As you just heard, 3, right? That sounds like the L5, L6. Ooh, 1, 2, nothing, right? Again, you know by feeling what you need to stop at. And you'll run through it again. Again, I don't like putting too much pressure on my lower back because I have a herniated disc in my L5, which I'm trying to recover from. So again, this is just stuff that I've learned throughout my training to help me get through my training at a optimal level of successful level to work out, and still working out since I was 13 effectively. So again, this is one of the tips that I could give you to possibly help your training get to the next level. Again, follow me at WTDT_athletics on Instagram and give me a shout out. Thank you.